Hi everyone, my name is Simon Sherratt and we're here at the 2013 ICCE, International Conference on Consumer Electronics, and we have Carsten Dolar here, who's Gold Chair. Firstly, before we find out what Gold is, Carsten, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yes, Carsten Dolar, the name. And I'm currently working with Robert Bosch GmbH, which is mainly a company working in the automotive sector. And interestingly enough, also automotive is interested in consumer electronics as well. So this sort of is my interest in the consumer electronics society. But I basically came from the image processing domain. I was doing image and video processing for LCD television sets. That's what I was working at university. I had a slight drift to the system architecture part, so doing software and hardware, also with the focus being energy efficient, small, well, you name it.
Okay. So Carsten, you started off image processing and then you moved into automotive. Why was that? Was it a job change? Was it a new opportunity?
Also quite interesting is, image processing. A lot of new cars come out right now with image processing devices in it, like cameras that will recognize the lane, that you keep the lane, or that warns you if all of a sudden comes something across in your driveway. So this is what drove me into the automotive sector, is that there are a lot of algorithms and a lot of knowledge also goes into the video processing in the car. But the challenge is there that you have much more restrictive security security issues, because you have to have fail-safe system, you have to have a perfectly working system. So it's interesting that also I can use my knowledge I gained through the image processing work I did in the automotive sector. It's quite interesting. There's a lot of overlap.
So essentially, if you learn the technology, you learn the basics of technology, then there's many fields which are open to you. Yeah. Let's learn a little bit about Gold. Carsten, what is Gold?
Okay, first of all, Gold is an abbreviation for graduates of the last decade. And this is a program by the IEEE to get young engineers that are transitioning from being a student to a full member and try to get them involved in the IEEE. And what we're doing, or what I, as a Gold member liaison in the CE Society, try to do is to do this at a society level, so that we are organizing conferences all over the world, and I try to bring the young engineers also in the community, because that's one of the main benefits, I guess. Well, first, from my personal perspective, is I benefit the most from networking, and you only can network if you know people, and this is the starting point to get them to know each other. That's the first thing. And the other thing is to get to know the officials in the society, and that the people that are running the society or that are enjoying being themselves in the society. So this is the goal of the Golds. The
goal of the Gold, we may use that. So what might I see if I go to a Gold event? Who would I come across? Who would I typically see? What are the kind of typical events that you do run?
Starting from last year, we had a Gold event at each conference of the CE Society, and these are mainly beginning in the beginning of the conference. So first day or second day, you get an invitation by email or something like that. And if you're interested in the topic, which would be like having a dinner or going to a special place. You could subscribe and take part in it. Well, sometimes without a fee, sometimes a little fee, just a little coverage. But for instance, this year at the ICCE, we had been the chance to see the technical details of the Viva Vision screen. Well, the Viva Vision is, they say it's the largest signage display in the world, and it actually runs 4 blocks long across the Freeman Street. So they showed us how they run the shows, like being right in the technical director's center there, and gave us some insight in how they run the show. And I think that's something very special you could just get at an event like that.
Thank you. So this is technology with also a social element as well. I can understand gold events at conferences. What gold support do people get when they go back home?
Well, we do have a Facebook group, and so people can sign up there, start discussions there. I try to pass information that is from the IEEE level. So they have, for instance, a video broadcast. They have sorry, I don't know the word. So they have a conference call, I would say, where you have a technical training you could receive. So this is the IEEE level I tried to pass. The next thing you could do is I tried to get the goals starting their own network so they can live with the connections they made at the gold events. So this is basically what you take home with and start networking.
Fantastic. So gold offers peer support, online support as well. So become a gold member. Thank you.